2. Transfer a tenant. You can begin a tenant transfer from a number of locations. From the nav bar, a tenant's general page, and a unit's general page. Clicking the transfer button from any of these locations will open the transfer modal. Begin by typing the name of the tenant and selecting from the list that appears. Click the Schedule button for dates in the future. Otherwise, click Transfer Now to begin. At the unit stage, view the tenant's current rental information and assign a unit that the tenant will be transferring to. Note: the billing cycle and gate access code will remain the same as the tenant's previous unit unless requested by the tenant. Under the New Monthly Rate section, view the rate for the tenant's new unit and apply insurance, services, or promos if applicable. The total monthly price of the unit will be updated automatically. Under the Additional Notes section, specify a reason for transfer by selecting one from the list in the drop-down menu. Note: schedule maintenance and cleaning for the newly unoccupied unit by checking the appropriate boxes and selecting a date, or simply leave a note concerning the transfer. The review stage allows you to review, line by line, what the tenant will be paying for at the time of the transfer. Note: you cannot edit or remove the credits or charges being applied to the new unit that originated from the old unit's account. You can only edit or remove charges made to the new unit. At the documentation stage, select the documents you wish to attach to the transfer by checking the boxes next to the document title. Documents requiring a signature will be noted with Requires Signature. At the e-sign stage, the tenant must review the documents requiring a signature. Upon reviewing, the tenant will electronically sign and click I accept to continue in the transfer process. At the payment stage, there are 3 possible situations that can occur in the transfer process. If the tenant has no balance due, a message will appear stating that no money is owed at this time. If the tenant has a prepaid credit, a message will appear stating that the amount will be transferred to the tenant's account. If the tenant has a balance due, process the payment now using the Standard Payments Methods screen. The final stage of the transfer process is called the confirmation stage. A message verifying the success of the payment and completion of the transfer will appear.